shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they read.
Hey, so what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video, man. I think I'm doing like 3 videos in one day for y'all. I've been behind, been busy. Actually, I've been slacking on a couple of my videos, so I got a lot of releases for y'all, a lot of updates and things of that nature. So yeah, man, I'm doing a lot of videos at once so I can get them out the way for y'all. For the most part, we about to talk about today, man, why you should buy a Dodge Charger. Why you should, man. I know I got a video on why you shouldn't, but this is why you should buy one. Especially during this, even though inflation is going on and stuff like that, but if you can't afford it, this is why you should buy it. I mean, first of all, it's a well-known car. Everyone has it. It's bad that everyone has it, and it's good that everyone got it, because the reason that it's good because everyone has the same issue. So if you look on my channel, a lot of my videos get a lot of views, a lot of the how-tos at least, like how to change the struts, how to change the oil cooler housing, things of that nature. Everyone having the same issue, that means there's going to be a video on it. There's no doubt going to be a video on it. So that's why it's really good to have that car as well. There's a video on suspension issues and things like that. So it's one of the reasons to buy a Dodge Charger. Any model, really, I say the 2011s and up, because obviously we're in 2022. I mean, I personally would not get anything below a 2010 unless I got like it's a deal I couldn't resist. But camera shaking like hell. A lot of people has it, and yeah, and it's one of the second reasons to get it. It's pretty easy to work on. Like, it's pretty reliable and it's pretty easy to work on. There's really nothing hard about it. Everything's pretty much accessible. Once again, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go make sure you go like and share the videos, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Smash the subscribe button, because I got a lot of how-to videos on how to do these things. Like, a lot of stuff that I encountered, it was pretty much straightforward. Changing the timing belt, changing the spark plugs. I ain't did a video on that. I don't know why I never did one. But changing the spark plugs, changing the oil cooler housing, changing the suspension, changing the tires around, anything you can think of, I pretty much got a video on. So everything's accessible. That's why I would buy one. It's not a non-reliable car. It really is a reliable car. I had that car to 166,000 miles and it was still going. So it's not that it's not a reliable car, but yeah. For the most part, I mean, it's a very reliable car. So once again, it's gonna last you. I mean, I don't really see people like on the side of the road with them or anything. So that's one of the main reasons. I always look at like, what cars do I see on the side of the road the most as well? So I never see a Dodge Charger on the side of the road unless it's for a flat tire. I mean, simple flat tire, happens to anybody. But yeah, man, I mean, it's one of the most bought cars as well, so that's the reason for it. Honestly, I can't even think of anything else, man. The car, I mean, it holds its value. The body style of the car. The body style of the car is one of the best body styles. I'm giving it to the 2011 and through the 2014s, regardless. My bad. Take that back. I made a video on it. Anything below a 2010, anything under the 2010s, those are the better body styles, because you can do so much more with it. The only thing I wish it had is the same thing as the 2011s and up Chargers, is that LED tail light that it had. So if it had that hands down, it just even without it, it's still hands down a better body style to me, in my opinion. I'm always say the original is always the best. They had that concept first, and that was the best. Obviously, it's not the original. It's not like the 71s and the 60s and stuff like that. So, but it is the original in this era that we're in right now. So anything of 2005 and up, anything 2005 to 2010, those are the better body styles of the Dodge Charger. Now, somebody might say the 2015s and up has a better body style. No, it does not. Y'all are crazy out your damn mind. The aerodynamics is better. I will give it that. The aerodynamics are a lot better, But my personal favorite is the 2011 through the 2014 Charger, all because of the LED tail lamp. That's the reason I got it, is because of that. The body style, man, that thing is crazy. Like, it's gonna grab your attention whether you like it or not. Even if you're not a car fanatic, it's gonna grab your attention. It's just bound to grab your attention. So, but yeah, I mean, and also it's a V6. You can get a V6, and you have options. You get a V6 or a V8. I recommend the V6 now. I only say that because I do own a V8 at this point, so I wouldn't get another V8. And if I did get another Charger or a 300, it would be a V6. It wouldn't be a V8. It would be pointless. I already have a V8. And inflation, man, it's only gonna get worse for y'all, bro. It's only gonna get worse. So gas is gonna keep going up. Out here in Oklahoma, gas actually went down a couple of cents. I'm surprised, but it's still high as hell. It's still like a whole $1 within a week. So, man, it's just crazy, man. I don't even. If you got a V8, if you got a V8 and a V8 is your only car, I feel sorry for you. Like, straight up, I feel sorry for you, because I don't even daily drive this no more. I work from home, so I don't even daily drive it. So I'm still on the tank from like 2 weeks ago. Like, straight up, I'm on the tank from 2 weeks ago, almost 2 weeks ago at least. But yeah, man, I get the V6. It's more the V8. I would say the V8 is more easier to work on, more reliable, because the V8 has iron block and stuff like that. The V6 has aluminum block heads and stuff like that. So you don't want to get a V6 because you might not want to get a V6 because of that. The V8 is going to be more reliable. But for the most part, man, I get a V6, very reliable, gas mileage, all that good stuff, man. Gas mileage, especially with mods, and that's gonna be the next one. That'll be the thing. That'll be the next thing. Why to get why to get a Dodge Charger? But the gas mileage is the main thing, man. The gas mileage for a V6, you get pretty good gas mileage to have almost 300 horsepower to the crank at least. Pretty good, man. I really miss it because I wish I had it now. My gas mileage would be great. I was averaging, not averaging, but my tank, a full tank, would be like 430 something. After I changed my exhaust and cut the hole in my intake box, I was averaging 430 to a tank. Above that, actually. So I think when I first got the vehicle, it was 420 to a tank. I was averaging, but I was averaging at 440. I was averaging 440 on a full tank of gas. But that's when I was in Dallas and I was driving. I was doing highway mileage though, so I was getting great gas mileage. Even in the city, I was getting great gas mileage. So, but for the most part, man, the gas mileage is great. That's another reason to get a V6. That's why the V6 sells more than the V8 does, because it's easier to work on, it's cheaper to work on, and it's better gas mileage on the V6. So for all you V8 pound your chest V8ers that, oh, you gotta have a V8 or you're gonna get clowned or whatever it might be, man. A lot of people buy the V6, and the V6 sells more because it's a V6 gas mileage. People like the body style of it. Some people don't care about the V8. But the last part, and probably the main part, I would say, is the mods, man. The mods, bro. It looks so good. I'm probably gonna put a couple videos of my car in here, but it looks so good on mods. This is the only car. This is the only car that looks, not only car, but it looks the best with its mods. This is the main car. It looks the best with its mods, hands down. You can't say shit against that. Every person who has a Charger knows damn well I'm right about this. Not even outside of having a Charger. I'm talking about any, like a Mustang, anything. This has the best mods, hands down, bro. Anything you can think of, there's a mod for it. Anything you can think of, there is a mod for it, bro. It looks good. Y'all seen my car, bro. I got compliments all the time on my car. I ain't been asking for it. I do my mods because I want my car to look the way it's supposed to look. Not because I want attention from anybody. But the mods are the main thing on this car, what makes it separate from anything else. That's why you should buy a Dodge Charger 2005 and up to current. So that's gonna make it a wrap for the video, man. That's it, man. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Would you buy a Dodge Charger? Would you not? If you are watching this video and you don't have a Dodge Charger, would this video make you buy a Dodge Charger or not? Leave your comments down below. Make sure you like and share the video. Smash that subscribe button as well. Until